Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue Boy FX, and please, before we move further, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Please do what subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it to your friends, and also save it so you can watch later in case you have difficulties. Okay, in case you have difficulties, so you can watch it later. This I'm going to show you how I'm using price action to make profits off the market on the boom 1000. And also don't forget that price action works on all pairs. This is a strategy that works on all pairs, and I have been using it. Right now there are spikes going on. There are spikes going on. Let me show you that on the 1 minute. You're seeing that there are spikes going on, and I'm going to tell you why the spikes is happening, which I'm going to obviously show you as well where it's happening from. Okay, so guys, please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, subscribe and hit the like button. So first and foremost, I said earlier I'm going to be showing you this using price action. This trade was given to the VIPs already, and we made good profit from it. Okay, here it is. Let's be 1000. Then I later saw a trend on the 4 hours, which I told them about, but I still told them that the 4 hour candlestick, which I saw, closed very strong, so we were going to make profit off it. It's always important to know how the candlesticks works. Okay, how the candlestick patterns, how the work. Price action has to do with the past and the present. Okay, so you have to understand how the candlesticks work. So we were able to make, since we are trading against spikes, it's very important to go for profit. And also, now let's go back. Okay, I think I shared something. Okay, I didn't do that. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I got into this trade these 4 hours. I'll be closing. Okay, I closed positions already. Okay, I closed positions already and allowed one position to run so that I could show you guys this and leave. Okay, so I will be able to take the loss from here if at all a loss comes, but we are still in profit on just one position running. I've already closed every other thing. Now you see that this is the 4 hour time frame. So this previous 4 hours here, this previous 4 hours here, this one here, closed very strong. So after this 4 hours closed this way, I saw this candlestick. When it closed. I think that was around 9 or thereabout. So when I saw this candlestick close like this, I now opted to go in for a sell after that. Okay, I now opted to go in for a sell. So when I got into a sell, spike came. Okay, when the spike came, before then it started selling down again, and I was, if I'm using price action and you have a support here, your TP must be somewhere before the support, somewhere above the support, because market might not actually, that was another spike, market might not actually get to this level before it starts buying back. Just know that as far as this place is concerned, it's a zone. As far as the support is concerned, it's a zone, a major zone. So this support was, I got it from a higher time frame. Now let me show you what I mean. Oh, sorry guys, I'm trying to get that arrow out so that you can move on. Okay, so this, as you can see, is the 4 hours. Fine. So this support was gotten on this higher time frame. Now you have to get your support your zone where the market is, like the area of concentration. The 4 hours is a very valid time frame, but it's the lower time frame that you go to look for your entries. Now, at what level are you going to look for these entries? Is when your market gets to the area of that you have already positioned your support or your trend line or whatever it is that you're waiting for the market to get there so that you can go in for a trade. Now, watch this. This pattern has been repeating itself in the sense that on the 4 hour time frame, very clearly, you see this point here, went up, got back here, went up. So imagine you using price action, you saw this pattern, and once price gets to this level or gets around this level, you're going for a buy, make profit. Comes into this level, you're going for a buy, make profit. So that's the same thing that is happening here at this moment. We have actually been able to witness that this is playing out. Market has also gotten to this level. As you can see, the week here, even if it hasn't really touched it, but this level is a support, and also this zone, this trend line has been respected. So you see the magic in price action. It makes it easier. If you join our mentorship class, you are going to learn this as soon, like in less than no time. You are going to be able to be taking trades. There are things that you have to observe, which I'm not going to tell you all of it. But now you've seen that once market got here, it has been playing back. We have gotten into this trade, made profits. Now, if I was to get into this trade again, I will get into it once this candlestick. And now I talked about the lower time frame. Now, this is what we talk about being the entry on the lower time frame. Now, this is where market is. Market got to this level. Once market got to this level, you're actually waiting to see if there's going to be a good retracement on this. Okay, so now we saw that it came here, did a little bit of like, gave us a fake sign as if it's going to buy back, but broke that trend, came down, retested it, went down, and started buying again before coming back to this support here. So at this moment, what you're going to do is you will now wait for it to break back and show you signs. That's why you have to play with your times, with different time frames. Okay, you have to play with different time frames. Go to the 30 minutes, to the 15 minutes, to the 5 minutes. Look for things that are happening. Okay, you have to compare these things. This is price action. This is not indicator settings. So you have to make sure that you use your eyes to indicate it. Okay, which is actually better. So once price got to this level, it has formed a structure here. Yeah. So once price got to this level, got down here, you now going for a buy, and you're going to place your SL somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around that level, so that in case market wants to pull back, we know fully well that this place holds a strong will hold it. Okay, that place is going to hold it. So now you see that market got to this level and has been going back, came down to retest this trend line, and now it's ranging. So we are waiting for it to start buying back. So this is how this price action works, and it's very simple to understand. So I'm going to close out on this trade. I'm going to take the remaining profit. I think we should have about a few dollars running. So I'm going to close it out. And now you've seen that price action works very well. I'm not saying indicators don't work. Of course, indicators works. See now, this is the 1 hour. Each time frame shows you this thing differently. Excuse me. It shows you these things differently. This is the 1 hour. This is the 4 hours. Now on the 4 hours, you can see that we can't find this uptrend on the 1 hour. We can't find the uptrend on the 1 hour. It's on the 4 hours that we were able to detect the line running through it as a trend line, which is on the 4 hours. So play with your time frames so that you observe all these things. You see it is an uptrend. But what are we seeing here on the 1 hour? What we are seeing on the 1 hour is a downtrend, which we have to still respect. But now going to the 4 hours makes us know, oh, that market has gotten to this trend line, and also it's time for it to repeat what has been happening before, which is all these rejections once it gets to that trend line. So this trend line is respected. Okay, so if you want to get into this trade now, you can't. All you have to do is wait to see if there's going to be a pullback. Okay, if there's going to be a pullback before a buy. And let me tell you something. Look at this. There has been pullbacks a couple of times. Okay, there have been pullbacks a couple of times. But now, if you're getting into this trade now, what happens? You have to look for an SL. Entry matters. Okay, entry matters, and also your SL. Okay, so now this market is still going in motion. It might just be ranging. Right now it's ranging. It's not yet trending. It's just ranging, going up, coming down, going up, coming down, till it's ready to make its move. So you have to study the chart. Price action will take your time because you have to concentrate on the chart, and you don't have to be jumping from one pair to the other because you just need few pairs so that you can concentrate. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If you want to join the mentorship class, check the description of this video. You're going to find the link to a Telegram channel. You're going to find my WhatsApp number. Hit me up, and just know that we are running a promo at the moment, and the promo is not going to be for a long time. So make sure you hit me up now or you lose out on it. So price action is key. Indicators are good, but don't depend fully on indicators. Okay, don't depend fully on indicators. See you guys on the next video, and I hope you join the mentorship class. Our free Telegram channel is open. The VIP signals is running. PropFirm account management. We help you pass your synthetic indices PropFirm. Okay, we help you pass your synthetic indices PropFirm. Now there is currency and there's synthetic indices PropFirm. Before it was just currency, and we were praying for synthetic indices to come. But on the consummate traders, what we are seeing is power, moon. We are not seeing the volatility. We are not seeing the crash and the boom. But I think they work like they are still using the same. I don't know. I'll just have to compare them, okay, to see how if it's the same asset but just a change of name. So we are helping you pass that. Now that we have that, we're still working on the currencies as well. So make sure you hit me up, and I'm gonna help you out on whatever it is that you want as far as trading is concerned. So see you guys on the next video. See you guys in class as well. Okay, this video is what you're going to see. This is from my students after we had one class. He enjoyed it. I enjoyed the class as well. It was very simple, so you're going to learn a lot. Join us. See you guys. Bye.